children, today we are going to start with chapter number 16, the struggle for independence. So in this chapter, we will study about what leader of Congress, spirit of nationalism, First World War, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, Simon Commission, and after that new leadership, how Dandi March was done, Quit Indian movement, civil disobedience movement, and Second World. So let's start with the chapter now. The revolt of 1857 arose powerful feeling of independence. Right? So what happened? There was a feeling of self-pride, self-respect developed in Indians, and their love for religion, society, culture increased. So now Indians, they become aware intellectually, and the people of India, what they established? Many institutions, right? Published various newspaper and arranged meeting on different places. So they requested British government to take some steps to solve the problems of Indians. Now leaders of the Congress. So on 28th December, if we talk about, the Indian National Congress was founded, right? And who founded it? That is Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College in Mumbai, AONU, and he assumed the office as the first journal secretary, and Vomesh Chand Banerjee of the Kolkata was elected as the president. So who was elected as president? You must know that Vomesh Chand Banerjee, and general secretary was your AOU, right? So session of INC were held every year, and some of the Congress president who presided over the meeting of INC were eminent people. And who were those people? Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and W.C. Banerjee. So Babruddin Tayyabji and Firoz Shah Mehta was a prominent leader of Congress at that time. And these leaders had moderate outlook. मतलब ये थोड़ा moderate थे, right? So they believed that reforms would take place gradually and had the British sense of justice prevail. The leader were called moderate. थोड़े शांत स्वभाव के थे, right? There was another type of leader also, extremists जो थे. So the INC also demanded policy that were benefit for India's. What they did, they provided jobs to Indians in the British Indian government and made sure that Indians enjoy better living condition. And उन्होंने ये भी श्योर करा कि जो Indians हैं उनको better अच्छी living condition मिलेगी. Now the peaceful approach of these leaders failed, as the British were they were not willing to pay heed to them. So what they did, they kept exploiting the Indian masses, and this brought forth a new group of leaders in the caucus, like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, who felt the need to involve the common people of India in the freedom struggle. And what did Tilak demanded? Tilak demanded that self-rule was for Indians and said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. These leaders were called extremists. In leaders को क्या बोला जाता था? Extremist बोला जाता था. बाल गंगाधर तिलक, दादाभाई नौरोजी, W.C. Banerjee, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. These were extremists. ये कौन लोग थे? ये extremist leader थे. Let's study about the spirit of nationalism. So there was partition of Bengal. सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Partition होता है बंगाल का, जिससे क्या होता है? Feeling of nationalism was strengthening in India. They become a source of anxiety for the British, and what they adopted? Policy of divide and rule. So on 20th July 1905, partition of Bengal was announced by Lord Curzon and Viceroy of India at that time. One part of Bengal was to have Muslims in a majority and other part to have Hindu majority. दूसरे part में क्या था? Hindu majority थी. So this was done so that unity among the Hindus and Muslims could be broken. ये क्यों करा गया था? क्योंकि जो unity थी ना, brotherhood था दोनों के बीच में, उनको तोड़ा जाए. Now we have Swadeshi and boycott. Swadeshi movement क्या थे कि हम क्या करेंगे, जो British made goods हैं उनको boycott करेंगे. And which type of goods we use? The goods that are made in India, right? Like गांधी जी ने किसको promote करा था कि use Swadeshi goods, जो आपके चरखा, right? And he used चरखा also. Now Indian people were not happy with the British, so after the partition of Bengal, INC launched Swadeshi and boycott movement. So people were asked to boycott goods जो किसने बनाए हैं? Britain ने. And buy goods which were made in their own country. Them स्वदेशी कहते हैं. लोगों ने क्या करा, जो British made goods थे उनको आग लगा दी. They bonfired them, and this movement spread from Bengal to other parts of the country like Pune, Mumbai, and Chennai. A large number of Indian women participated in this movement, and the British tried their best to crush the movement. उन्होंने क्या ट्राई करा? अपना बेस्ट ट्राई करा जिससे क्या कर सकते हैं, इस मूवमेंट को क्रश कर सकते हैं. Now revolutionaries. Revolutionaries were the people who believed that the British rulers should be treated in the same way in which they are treating the Indians. कि उनको उसी तरीके से ट्रीट करो जैसे उन्होंने किसको ट्रीट करा है, इंडियंस को ट्रीट करा है. They believed that the British could be driven away by using force. They were ready to sacrifice their lives to their motherland. They killed what? Many British officers. Most of the revolutionary leaders were punished severely and even they were put to death. Some of the prominent revolutionaries were Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Udham Singh, Khudrim Bose, Veer Savarkar, Sukhdev, Aurobindo Ghosh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mashreda Surya Sen, and Bhukteshwar Dutt and Ajit Singh. Right? Then we have Bhagat Singh. This he is Rajguru and Udham Singh. Next is Gandhiji's childhood. Let's study about childhood of Gandhiji. As you know, his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and was born when? On 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. Right? In Gujarat. As a child, Gandhiji was very shy and what he avoided? Company of his classmate. He was an average student. Gandhiji's books and lessons. अगर हम बात करें गांधी की books और lessons की, वो एक soul companion है. What are these? These are soul companions and they told that lie either to his teacher, he never lied to his teacher and nor to his schoolmate. And he was deeply inspired by the stories of Shravan and Raja Harishchandra. When Gandhiji was in high school, what happened? Mr. Giles, the education inspector, had come for an inspection during the exam. He asked that the student to write 5 words as a spelling exercise. One of the word was kettle and Gandhiji misspelled it. His teacher promoted Gandhiji to copy the spelling from his neighbor's clay. But Gandhiji did not do so. Everyone got the spelling correct except Gandhiji. Next is First World War. So when the First World War broke out, when? In 1940. Then Indian soldiers were sent along with the British soldiers to fight the war. In addition, British government imposed heavy taxation on India to recover their losses and they incurred during the World War. So the British continued with the strategy of what? Divide and rule. और जो किस पे based थी? Religious likes. This led to formation of Muslim League in 1906. Then we have Mahatma Gandhi. He returned to India. After his university education, Gandhiji went to London as a trained barrister. After his training, he went to South Africa to work in law firm. Gandhiji was surprised to see the treatment of the black people at the hands of the majority white population. He stayed in South Africa for almost 20 years. और 20 साल तक साउथ अफ्रीका में ही रहते हैं and was sent to prison many times. He protested for domination. He protested against the domination of the whites and fought for the basic rights of blacks. जिसमें आपके इंडियन इमिग्रेंट्स भी थे. Right? Gandhiji returned to India in 1950. He come back and he went around the country to see the condition of the common people of India. They were facing कि वो क्या condition face कर रहे हैं. So he encouraged the people to fight against the British through satyagraha, devotion to truth and ahimsa. He traveled to various parts of India and realized that society जो थी हमारी वो किसके बेसिस पे डिवाइड थी? कास्ट सिस्टम के बेसिस पे डिवाइड. एंड ही ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट देयर वाज अ पॉवर्टी, illiteracy, untouchability, and people were being exploited by the British. Gandhiji realized that to gain the independence from the British, अगर आपको आज़ादी लेनी है ब्रिटिश से, so it was important to unite Indians. कि आपको इंडियन को क्या करना पड़ेगा? यूनाइट करना पड़ेगा. He enjoyed tremendous following among common Indians as millions from various sections of society joined his cause, and he strongly opposed what? Social evil. And what social evil opposed? Untouchable. Then comes the Khilafat movement. And this movement was started initially by the Muslims leader against the British following the event of First World War. The British before the war had promised Muslims that the power of the Sultan of Turkey will not be taken away after the war. कि जो power है टर्की की वो नहीं दी जाएगी. And after the war ended, they broke the permission. And in the First World War, he fought against the British. And Sultan of Turkey was a caliph, and he was supreme religious leader of all Muslims in the world. So what happened? When the British went back to their word, the Muslims were really angry. बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में थे, and they began Khilafat movement. And what they found it? Then they founded Muslim League. And when? In year 1906. Then we have Jallianwala Bagh massacre, right? It was in 1919, the British passed a new law, Rowlatt Act. Under this act, any person could be arrested and imprisoned. आप किसी को भी अरेस्ट कर सकते हो, जेल में डाल सकते हो बिना किसके सबूत के, बिना किसी ट्रायल के. गांधी नगर कांग्रेस लीडर आस्क्ड द पीपल टू अपोज द लॉ, और उन्होंने एक मीटिंग होल्ड करी, बहुत ज़्यादा डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करा. एंड ऑन 13 अप्रैल 1990 व्हाट हैपेंड? अ पीसफुल मीटिंग वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन जलियांवाला बाग in Amritsar, and thousands of men and women attended the meeting. And what? General Dyer blocked the main entry of the area, and he was asked to troops to open fire the crowd, and thousands were killed. Right? बहुत सारे लोग मर गए थे, and the Gandhiji was shocked, and what he concluded that Indians should demand complete independence. Puran Swaraj. Next is non-cooperation movement. So let's study about non-cooperation. Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement, and when it was launched, 1920. He asked the people of India not to work in government offices, resigns from their jobs, law firms, schools, colleges, and boycott all British. Gandhiji believed in non-violent protests. So what happened? The struggle for the independence was gaining momentum and mass support. But in 1922, Chaura Chauri incident of Uttar Pradesh, in which 22 policemen lost their lives, right? And Gandhiji was deeply disturbed by the violent turn of the movement and decided to call it off. और उन्होंने मूवमेंट को वापस लेके. इसके बाद होता है आपका सेमन कमीशन आता है. Since there was widespread unrest in India, British introduced certain changes in their government. Right? As a result, committee was found under the Semen, and he modification was done on the existing law. और laws को क्या करा? Modify करा गया. Right? So there was no Indian in the commission, and people decided to boycott it. The commission came to India in 1928, and was greeted with demonstration and slogan Semen Boga. During one such demonstration, Lala Lajpat Rai, he was badly hit on his head and passed from his injury. Right? New leadership. A number of new leaders have came up in the interim. Rajendra Prasad, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Govind Vallabhbhai Patel. What? They all assumed the leadership role. And some other names worth mentioning, that is C. Rajagopalachari and Chitran Mindas. Then we have Dandi March. So the British laws were unfair and unjust. One such law was salt law, which did not allow the Indians to make salt from the seawater. Instead, what happened? The Indians has to purchase salt from the British at higher price. ब्रिटिश से खरीदते थे, और ब्रिटिश हमें कैसे प्राइस खरीदते थे? ज़्यादा प्राइजेस पे देते थे. And so Gandhiji decided to defy this law. He, along with his follower, walked 300 kilometers from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to the small village near the sea shore of Gujarat. This journey was historically called Dandi March. On reaching Dandi, Gandhiji and his follower, what they did? They broke the salt. एक मुट्ठी भर के salt को उठा लेते हैं गांधी और लो तोड़ देते हैं. They were लाठी चार्ज, many were injured, but they stood united in their resolve. This was the beginning of civil disobedience. और यही क्या थी? Civil disobedience movement की beginning थी. Now we talk about civil disobedience movement at the Lahore session. लाहौर का सेशन होता है 1929, and कांग्रेस ने डिसाइड करा what we want, complete independence from the British. This gave shape to the civil disobedience movement, and Dandi March has already motivated the people, right? So this movement was active participation from various people. If we talk about northwestern part of India, movement was led by Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who was also known as Frontier Gun. Abdul Ghaffar Khan को क्या बोला जाता है? Frontier Gun. Right? Now Second World War and quit Indian movement. After World War II broke out. When it broke out in 1939, British decided to participate in the war and send Indian troops to fight without consulting the Indians. क्या हम क्या करेंगे? Indian leaders को war में भेज देंगे और उनसे consult भी नहीं करेंगे. Then what happened on 18th August 1942? All Indian Congress Committee session in Mumbai, and Gandhiji launched Quit India movement. Next day, Gandhi, Nehru, and many other leaders were arrested. This angered Indian people, and they had demonstration. But ये गुस्सा था, so demonstration होता है. Gandhiji called a what? Voluntary British withdrawal from India, and what they gave? Slogan "Do or Die." Thousands were injured and many were killed during the Quit India movement. Strikes हो जाती थी, and the British suppressed many of these demonstrations. By mass arrest, the British suppressed many of these demonstrations and mass arrest, and more than 1 lakh people were put in jail. Women to participate in the movement in large numbers, and the Quit India movement united the people of India. And after the World War, the demand for complete independence became strong. Next, we have Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji played an important role in the freedom struggle. He became president of the Congress twice. He was sent to jail by the British number of times, and in 1941 he managed to leave India through Afghanistan. He was in Japan, and in 1943 and organized an armed struggle against the British from outskirts of the country, and he formed Indian National Army to free India from British. So, as you know, the army also had women's regiment named Rani Jhansi Regiment, and the call of the Jai Hind was given by Netaji. India gains freedom. The British followed policy of divide and rule. To weaken the unity of nation, the British government agreed to the demands of Muslim League to divide India into two countries, India and Pakistan. It was the speech as the Prime Minister of independent India, Nehru, uttered the wonderful words, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." Now, Indian leaders were deeply saddened by these developments. On 14th August 1947, all the stroke of midnight, India became. As you all know, a new nation called Pakistan was formed out from India, which became a Islamic state, and the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of free India. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.